Okay, so here is the Snappy printing away quite happily. Benchy, of course, but I want to show you the trouble in movement in X direction. As you can see, when there are large movements in the X direction, it vibrates so much that the print quality really suffers. And I want to find out the cause of this bad X movement. And now the printer is not doing what it should do. Yeah, now you can see it a bit. Yeah, now you can see it. The vibrations are, can you see it? Quality, yeah. Yeah, now you can probably see it on the carriage. Yeah, I hope this helps in debugging this thing, but I think it's not so visible, sadly. Anyway, that's it for the quick X-jerk movement thing video. Hope you're having fun, and as you can see, overall it's a good machine and it's printing really well.